Good morning. This is the second phase for the land mapping out, where we plant the palms along the paths. So here in the iPad, we are looking at points we have generated to enable us know which points to plant. It's not visible because of the light, but if you look critically, you see those points we have generated using the GPS system or software from our iPad. So along these paths, we have to look for them using the iPad and the coordinates where they are, and then with that, it's going to direct us on where to plant each of these things. So there's no clear-cut destination, but with the help of this instrument, we're able to locate the points. Though it's not easy, but we are trying to find a way to put those points, since it's mostly bush 9 meters apart. So as you can see, this is one of the points that has been 7 meters from the boundary. This is one of the points that has been identified. So they cut the grass around it, make the hole, then ready for the palm transplanting. So each hole that has been made, furadan is added into the fields for the sake of termites, because we have lots of termites in this area. So with this furadan to protect the roots of the palm around this place, there's no clear-cut road, so we use the GPS as earlier stated to generate the points, and then we transplant accordingly. So this is one of the clear areas, the borough pit, where the palm were also transplanted. This is the seedlings. We place them along the points, which to enable us carry them at the points. So this is one of the ones that has one of the palm seedlings that have been planted. If you look around the palm, along the paths, they are all been planted 9 meters apart. So you have the palm seedlings around there, and then if you look here, you see the wire nets, wire guts, and the gentleman cutting the wire mesh to protect the seedling against grass cutter. All right, these are the men making the holes for the oil palm along the school boundary.
Now we be homemakers.
Okay, yeah, the what?
The hole maker.
Okay, the homemakers. They are making the holes for the oil palm along the fence. These are the men on duty, and the next person working. So we are just trying to make holes for the palms along the fence while they walk. Okay, let's go. Are you through? Yeah. Let's go. Digging around it and making sure the palm gets to the ground as it should. Okay. They are along the fence. This is someone's farm which is along the fence. There, Jay?
Yeah.
There, Jenny?
No.
Okay. That's making the hose for the oil palm, the perimeter fencing, giving about 9 meters apart. 9 meters apart, and then 6 meters from the main block wall. Okay, like along the boundary here, we have a lock up here, so we cannot actually access the path here because of these thick trees. So we have to meander through the bush along the path to help us proceed to the next point along the path. So we move through. So the young man is making the hole.
The roots. There are roots.
So there are roots along some points on the boundaries.